Alright guys, here's my test rig for my BS Mame I was making. Got a control panel wired up. I got a keywiz interface on it. I'll show you how it works. I want to make it as simple as possible. Go up and down. This is not the final list or the software I'll be using. This is just for test on my main PC. So let's find a game that I know for sure that I'll have on there to play. Just hit play when to start
Launching game.
Mom, this is the strawberry.
Yeah, I know.
Just hit 1 for 1 credit, then hit again to start the game.
You can see it. It's glaring.
If I want to exit, all I can do is hit 1, 2 real quick. Just go down and select another game. Hit 1.
Launching game.
Hit button 1 again for credit. Button 1 again to start it. Hit 1, 2 to exit.
Launching game.